Rum, 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 rum. Wow. Holy shit, so hot. They should really have a cooler in the back. Oh, the seat! Visibility 50%. Shit. Rum, 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 rum. Hey, look at me, Ed. I've done some work in winter. Hi, I'm Johan. Welcome to my channel. In this episode we're going to talk about the harness. This is a Simpson 3-inch ratchet strap harness. They're mostly used in off-road racing because you want to get strapped down as hard as you can because it's really bumpy. For this harness, the bracket has to be double sheared for the American sanctioned body. So let's make some brackets. The lap belts has to be between 45 and 80 degrees on the American rulebook, but in the Scandinavian says 65, so they will be 65.
Chewy for everyday great prices on pet essentials. And by Bank of America. What would you like the power to do? Fans continuing to enjoy a beautiful sunny day.
Front park a little bit faster lap time. And you can do it every lap. You know, a lot of guys, myself, other drivers, we can run that close to the wall. We can. A little bit. They break the right rear. We spin. Pretty much consistently. It's nice to be going quick. Without the engine or without the tire. Yeah.
done. We're reading our bricks up behind us, and we are going to have to pull the bits out of that. So, our jacket's on, pull.
The setup, foredeck's not very big, especially with the dinghy on the foredeck. And, lots of sheets going over it.
On this truck I'm going to fulfill the American and the Scandinavian sanctioning bodies. Shoulder harness has to be between 0 and 20 degrees. You can't have it under your shoulder because then you get compressed if you're landing on your roof. So the American says between 0 and 20 and the Scandinavian is between 10 and 20. So this is actually at 10 degrees because that's the optimum.
William Byron, pressure to the 8 car. William, we already know he's locked in the next round of playoffs, but winning gives you more playoff points. So that's really just about the importance of winning the race. It's also adding to that advantage that he has trying to win a championship.
Yeah, rough race up to this point as we see Monster Truck Jr. Take a look at this. Airborne.
Truex just saying, hey, I gotta go. I need to get in front of you. I'm gonna just drive it in here, jump the curve, and I'm not giving you a chance, right? And that's risky. That is risky. And here's Kyle Busch trying to make some pace, a little bit of contact.
If I ever wonder how it comes together, it's through the belt, through the loop, from the other side, and then pass back. Same way it comes. Stretch it out for the length. And then put it back through one hole. And then into the faster.
Har vi våra skyddsstack. Att det genom olja mellan våra undersidan på har vi en hög med olja. Man fyller på mycket om topp. Blandat allt ihop. Det finns inga skiljer. Det skiljer sig hur många man har på varje sida. Så är det vissa hål släpper upp genom hålet och andra åt andra hållet. Och så där fjädrar lite lagom. Jag har ritat upp här nu så har jag ritat upp 2 på ena sidan.
10.4.
Det här ska ju föreställa mina booms bypassrör.
It also has a 2-inch belt with the shoulders but 3-inch lower down. That's because the hands device has to be fitted in between those. The crotch strap has to go through the seat 11 to 13 inches from the backrest.
Here's the means that
It has to be the same angle as the chest line or down to 0. If you don't know how the race harness works, the Ratchet harness is working with this 1/4-inch ratchets that are pulling tension on the belts. You don't use this one for releasing it. That's for when you're strapping yourself in again to get it right. You're pulling this tab and the belt will fall apart. On a racing harness there's 2 kinds of locks. You can have a twister grip or you can have this cam locking, and it releases like this. And how it goes together, it's you take the left belt and you put the first shoulder harness, this crotch strap, second harness, and then you take the cam, lock it down with the velcro, and then use the ratchet. And it's tight. Yeah, I've been doing some work this winter, and they're coming maybe 2 or 3 videos here soon. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, put down a like or a comment. If you're new here, put down a subscription too. And visit Ed. His channel is great. He's on his way to Hawaii on a big boat. Hopefully he filmed this time. It would be nice to see. Yeah, see you later. Yeah, we get out of here.